Ciao Tesla people, today another road trip and I'm going to Montesenario, which actually is a mountain uh, north of Florence, and there is a monastery on top of it and a church. I already went there a few times last year, I think. Today is a beautiful day. Um, Here it says 16 Celsius, but it's supposed to be very warm, like 22. And it's a beautiful day today. So let's see how it goes. There should be no one because it's in the middle of the week. Middle of the week, actually. Today is Friday, but anyway. So there shouldn't be too many people, and we'll enjoy the ride. I'm going to do a time lapse, and then I'll see you there in a bit. So I got to the monastery here in Montesenario, and so this is the building. The monastery is pretty big. The church can is on the other side, and it's the very nice space here, and it's on top of the mountain, right on top of the mountain. So there is a monastery and a church, and there is nobody right now. You can see all the valleys. Florence is down there, and this is the Apennino mountain range. And down here you can see more. That's very nice. And it's warm too, still, even if we are high. Down there is Borgo San Lorenzo, I think. Let me check. Yeah, it should be down there that way. It's very nice. And this is the monastery here. It goes all the way in the back. Very cool. So this is the front of the monastery, and up there is a church, and down here there are all tracks to go around the woods. And when I was young, I would come here, and there would be a place where to eat. They would do sandwiches with prosciutto and stuff. Really, really good. And here is the valley. Pretty cool. Yeah, down there is the valley with Florence. Okay. And this is the monastery. I think it's closed right now. I think the church is closed. And down here there is the place where to eat, but I think everything's closed. Yeah, unfortunately. But it's very nice. It's much bigger than what it looks like, because it has all the way to the back. Very cool. Let's check it out if everything is open or not. Today is Friday, so it's most likely it's closed. Let's see. Yeah, everything's closed. That's very nice. Here. Yeah. And down there's the motorway. Nice. Ciao Tesla people. Again, the road trip was great. The weather was fantastic. It's a bit cooler than here in Florence. Now it's 21, 22 degrees here. And Montesenario was really nice. And it's always nice to see that place because it's really cool. Unfortunately, there is nobody, so the churches and the monastery was closed, of course. Anyway, I'm going to leave my Tesla referral link in the description. So if you buy a Tesla, use my referral, or if you do a test drive, and also the links about all the accessories about my Tesla Model Y. Anyway, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, share, turn on notifications if you already subscribe, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.